A Small Wars Journal article published on May 22nd spotlights India's rapid defense modernization, urging US military reform to match evolving warfare demands. Citing Operation Sindoor as a breakthrough in strategy and execution, the piece highlights India's strides in domestic defense production and policy innovation. It positions India as a model of adaptability, underscoring growing global military shifts and the urgency for the US to accelerate its defense transformation. The author of the article, titled India's Wake-Up Call, Why US Defense Reform Must Match the Speed of Modern War, has praised the sweeping defense reforms initiated in 2014 by NDA government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, listing several key aspects of the decisive step. The article mentions defense sector reform focused on India's domestic production, self-reliance and speed. The author has also lauded India's tactical and overwhelming victory in Operation Sindoor, highlighting swift, precise military response using domestically developed systems and how it struck hardened targets across the border in 4 days. The article also mentioned no reliance on US systems or foreign supply lines. The article also highlights the key systems that were used: BrahMos missiles, Akash-Tir air defense, loitering munitions, and how they demonstrated overwhelming military superiority against Pakistan and made Pakistani Chinese-made air defenses ineffective. He also factored in India's shifting focus on defense procurement, saying that India's progress in domestic defense sourcing increased from 30% to 65% and may reach the target of 90% by the end of the decade. Under a dedicated head, the author highlighted some lessons for the United States that include lessons from India's model and how it emphasizes capability, speed and cost efficiency. The article also advises that the US should study and potentially adopt aspects of this model. Further, the article says that the US should treat allies like India and Israel as co-equal production partners. The lesson of Operation Sindoor is not just that India is rising, it is that the United States can fall behind. In continuance of India's sustained